Are you thinking about making a move? If so, now may be the perfect time to start the process. That's because experts say the best week to list your house is just around the corner. A recent Realtor.com study looked at housing market trends over the past several years, with the exception of 2020 since it was an unusual year, and found the best week to put your house on the market this year is April 14th to the 20th. Every year, one week stands out from the rest as that perfect stretch of time when it's great to be a home seller. This year, the week of April 14th to the 20th is the best time to sell. That is, if sellers want to see lots of interest in their homes, sell quickly, and pocket some extra cash, according to Realtor.com data. Here's why this matters for you. While the spring market is a great time to sell no matter the week, this may be the peak sweet spot. And if you've been putting your plans on the back burner and waiting for the right time to act, this could be the nudge you need to make your move happen. As Hannah Jones, Senior Economic Research Analyst at Realtor.com explains, the third week of April brings the best combination of housing market factors for sellers. The best week offers higher buyer demand, lower competition from other sellers, and fewer price reductions than the typical week of the year. But if you want to get in on the action, you'll need to move quickly and lean on the pros. Your local real estate agent is the perfect go-to when it comes to figuring out a plan to prep your house and get it on the market. They'll be able to offer advice to balance your target listing date with what you need to do from a repair and renovation standpoint. And they can walk you through exactly how to prioritize your list so you know what to tackle first. For example, if your house is already in good shape, you'll be able to really focus in on the smaller things that are easy to do and make a big impact. As an article from Investopedia says, you won't have time for any major renovations, so focus on quick repairs to address things that could deter potential buyers. Here are some specific examples from that article. Just remember, even if you're not ready to list within the next couple of weeks, that's okay. The window of opportunity doesn't close when this week ends. Spring is the peak home buying season and it's still a seller's market, so you'll be in the driver's seat all season long. The bottom line is, be ready to get the ball rolling. Let's connect and schedule a time to go over your next steps. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.